This is the original constitution, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show something about it. And the first is on the citizenship and the sketches, the Vedic life in India. Above the citizenship, the first is the Vedic life in India. And then came the fundamental right chapter. And what is the sketch? Lord Ram returning to Ayodhya from Sri Lanka with Sita and Lakshman. That is the second one. Then you have the director principle of state policy. And the sketch is Lord Krishna, Upadesh about Gita in Mahabharata. On finance, property, contract and suites is the image of Lord Natarajan. Okay, that is there. You have Rani Jhansi, you have Maharana Pratap, you have Kabir Das, you have Mahatma Gandhi, you have Subhash Chandra Bose, you have Akbar, but not Aurangzeb. Remember it. That's very important to be appreciated. And the last, this is the signature of all the leaders, including Rajendra Prasad, the chairman, Sardar Patel, Maulana Azad, Dr. Ambedkar, Nehru ji, and all the members are here. Today, the reason as to why I am showing this document to you, ladies and gentlemen, and Constitution of India is the main basis of our governance. Many of the friends of the left talk of, I believe in constitutional nationalism. Okay, good, okay. Have you seen the spirit of India, the original constitution, what it talks about? But the reason as to why I showed it today is, if at all, hypothetically speaking, the constitution was to be framed today, and if the Constituent Assembly decides to have the same sketches in the constitution today, will it be allowed? Or there will be a debate? And there will be a lot of editorials, and there will be a lot of pamphlets. India going communal. I think that is the level to which our heritage has been almost, I would say, hijacked by people who enjoyed the state power, came with collusive research designed to weaken the morale of India, which began in 1942, where the imperial war overnight became the people's war in the wake of Second